Hey everyone, so today we have a lot of parts to put back on the motor to get it kind of close to running. Still like the whole fuel and everything to get to it. We're going to be putting the turbo back on, the intake, some oil feed lines, harmonic balancer here, and just like making it nice again because it was looking pretty rough when I got it. This is a really cheap car, so it was on the end of its life really. So let's get going. So I had to get another one of these because the old one was pretty advanced on the rust there, so kind of expensive, but I don't think this would have lasted very long. So let's start swapping over the hoses. Hey, there you go. So I just plugged the coolant hose in and got all these plugs hooked up on their little mount, and also got the dipstick back in. So I'm just trying to get the most parts onto this motor. I had to get a new harmonic balancer because the other one was so rotten. Oh, here's the other one. It's pretty gross. And the ring here, of course I had knocked it to take the harmonic balancer off, and I didn't know it was just like press fit in this rubber ring. So now it's like all crooked, so it's not going to be balanced anymore. And also the edges here got nicked, so it'd be pretty hard on the belt. So a new one. Got a few gaskets for the exhaust here. One of them was getting pretty cruddy. Gasket here for the intake. By the way, I really managed to clean out the inside of this intake like beautifully with the pressure washer and oven cleaner. It looks amazing in there now. Compared to before, it had like a 1/4 inch of soot all around, so it's pretty crazy what the EGR will do. Oops. Put this on the other side. So of course I forgot that this little fitting was part of the, well, I was still stuck in that other oil feed, so I'm going to try to get this off here without breaking anything. Ah, easy peasy. Yeah, this is like threaded on both sides, and the new oil end didn't come with it. This was really hard, like really on there. I had to heat it up with the torch again, of course. Anything coming from Quebec is like it's gonna be rotten together for sure. So good thing we have torch. So that's probably still pretty hot. I'm not gonna even try to pick that up. That's the part right there. As always, gotta put some anti-seize on there. There we go. Alright, so we just added the copper ring, copper seal on there, so now we can clamp this guy down. A little block-off plate for the EGR on the exhaust manifold, so we're gonna tack this on there and tabarnak, man. Alright, so that'll do nicely. Just a little piece of steel around, weld it on, should hold pressure as. So the last thing we gotta do is install this flex hose return line. This thing I had to buy new again because it was just so rotten out, and the braid was starting to all crack and break. So this was expensive. It was $100 just for this part. Good. So let's put that on there. Actually, I should have put this on before getting the turbo. It's not too late. It is absolutely crazy how rusty these cover plates here were. They were just disintegrating, kind of like the oil return for the turbo actually. It's doing the same thing. And yeah, rust here in Quebec is really bad, as you can see from pretty much anything that hasn't been repainted. I wanted to polish the valve cover, but it's kind of not top priority, so I'm not going to do it yet. And I've been kind of procrastinating on getting that glow plug out of there, which you can't see, but it's broken in the head, so I'm going to have to remove that. That's probably going to be a day's work. I'm excited. Got the coolant lines on, the oil line for the turbo. So thanks for watching, everyone. Really enjoying the sport, and you guys are enjoying the videos. Till next time.